to the 360 Traveler, and I'm just gonna run to my next destination. Get a big runner here. I don't know if I can outrun him. I don't know if I can. I don't know. Yeah, I did. Sorry, buddy. Well, it's a good runner though. It's pretty fast. But anyway, I just happen to be faster. So don't cry. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. I'm so bad with kids. Anyway, so here we go. You know what? I gotta run because, as you might be able to see, it's raining. I don't even know why I'm still having my headphones here. Not the best time to take them off. Put them in my bag because I don't want to get extra wet. But yeah, I'm running now because shit. This is a terrible run. This is bad. I have to run again. I've become a terrible runner. Just running for the past minute and I'm like, whew, I'm dead already. Anyway, why am I running? Because it's raining and I want to get to the bus stop ASAP. It says 15 minutes walk on Google Map, which normally means more like maybe 12 minutes walk. And if I run, maybe it'll just take 5 to 7 minutes. So, might just be good enough. You know? And I turn off the data because I have very little data left. But, here we go. Now, I'm using the trees as a shelter, so that's kind of, you know, better. But my God, it's getting worse and worse. So I have at least 3 videos I took with the Insta360 One R that I haven't uploaded yet, and I've just put on my laptop, on my smartphone that I've been stitching. I've stitched already, and plus today this is the 4th video, and it's only gonna last a few minutes because I only had 8 minutes left on my SD card. So after 8 minutes, it's gonna stop. But you know what? It's gonna be 3 or 4 videos from last time. 4 videos today. I took today, so I'm gonna have to upload 7 to 8 videos in a row, which is okay. Gosh, this dude freaked me out. But yeah, that's what I used to do with my Samsung Gear 360. You just upload a bunch of videos together. So I'm kind of used to it. Just that this video is actually longer. And I'm like, yeah, I don't have a mass body, but you know, I'm running, right? I've got some shorts, so it's not like it actually makes sense that I'm running, but yeah, I'm actually running. And I'm not even the only one running, so you see. I think it's not raining very much anymore now, but yeah. Thing is, I also wanted to test the stabilizer of this camera, because so it's supposed to be pretty good. The 360 camera I was using before, the Samsung Gear 360, doesn't have any stabilizer, so all my footage that I took with it are pretty shaky. But this one has. This one is reasonably waterproof, so that's why I'm unable to film like that in the rain without freaking out. And yeah, as long as I can still make some acceleration like that, it means I can still run, you know? I can't run very well, but I can still run. So I'm gonna get on the same bus, the bus number 31, And now, yeah, I'm pretty close. So that was a pretty fun run in the rain. It's good that I'm running out of SD card space and of batteries, because otherwise I keep on filming, and I'm not gonna film too many videos. I mean, come on, what's the point? I mean, yeah, if I had anyone watching the videos, then maybe, but it's not like, what's that? Happy National Day. Yeah, that was, the National Day was a while ago, like 2 weeks ago, something like that. Anyway, as you can see, it's a pretty nice day in Singapore, isn't it? Pretty nice day. And my phone is working pretty nicely under the rain, but now it's just stopped working, so shit. I can't use the finger sensor. So I'm gonna imagine that the bus stop is right over there. Right over there, like where? Where is over there? I don't know. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Okay. So which way am I gonna be going? So this way. So it's okay. I've been waiting the whole time, but it's definitely strong. I think this is gonna stop pretty soon because I'm really running out of place. 1 minute left, guys. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. See you in the next one. Yeah, I'm not using a mask because I was running, just for you to know. And you know what? Forget. I just keep on running until the bus stop, which should be pretty close. And I hope I can just fetch the bus 41 pretty soon. So it just feels so good to be around town. Even if it's raining, it's like a good rain. I like it. You know, I'm gonna take a nice shower when I go back home. Take a nice, refreshing, re-energizing shower. Cleaning shower. Obviously, I mean, kind of makes sense for a shower to be cleaning. And people are like, why is he not even wearing masks? And I'm like, I was running, buddy. That's why. It's running. Maybe I can just like be here. Am I even still filming that?